Okay, yes, I'm sorry. I know these are all over YouTube. Everybody and their dog has got one. But we have the Rlaarlo. We have one of these to unbox. But we're going to do something a little bit different with it. Everybody else has taken theirs bashing. We're going to take this indoor carpet racing. So this little thing is a 1/14 scale, but it does come in at a whopping $200, so about 165 UK pounds, which is pricey for one of these little buggies when you consider that the Wltoys up there is only $120, so 95 pounds. But this one does come with carbon fibre. And unlike the Wltoys, you do get some extras in the box. You've got on there, you've got your front bumper, your suspension arms, dog bones, there's body clips, wheel hub kit, little tools, and of course your manual. And in the manual, it's got a rudder assembly. So you've got a 45 amp ESC in there, a 3200 kV motor, a 1.7 kg servo. They say it should go in excess of 90 kilometres on 3S out of the box. Obviously, you've got your carbon fibre chassis on there. The shock towers are also carbon fibre, the steering linkage and the suspension mounts. You've got adjustable metal turnbuckles and oil-filled shocks, although it doesn't feel like there's an awful lot of oil in there. And there's no foams in the tyres. So the question has got to be, is this one worth that $200 price mark? So once we've taken it racing, we're going to give it the Talbot test. I think that's only fair. They've asked us to compare it to this one. Kev tested that one. It took an absolute beating. And despite what everybody says, they think we set it up or I edited it funny. That thing was bloody brilliant. But we did have to change out the receiver in this one, and we put a Dumbo in because there was a terrible delay. So hopefully this one will not have a delay. So, is it worth the $200 price mark? You guys can decide. We'll just test it the way we usually test it. So this video will be a carpet racing. The next video out will be the Talbot test. So, we've arrived. Kev and Vinny are late. It's just occurred to us, because we haven't actually unboxed this little car, we thought maybe we ought to check that it works first. So we're hoping there's no delay on this one like you get on the Wltoys. We did bring the Dumbo with us just in case, but because it's an ESC and receiver in one, we won't be able to swap it out. So I record just in case it goes poof.
We shouldn't go poof. Apparently it's 3S capable. Doesn't sound very healthy.
On the box it shows that it's got purple alloy hubs, but it hasn't. And what is climbing strong? Do you reckon ours is going to look silly against all the professional racers in there? We're going to be like toy grade. Yeah. In at the deep end, eh? So Ian's number 3 in this race. Little purple one. Oh, he's failing miserably. So he's not had a chance to set the steering up on this. As you can see, it is not doing good, which is making me wonder if people have reviewed them, why it's not being raced. They've just been bashed. It's very, very squirrely. It's all over the place, Jesus. That's one way to do it. Oh. You don't like it, do you? You spoke too soon. No, has it got barely any steering at all? It's got barely any steering. It's broken. Like that one. Thumbs up for that one.
Right, where's the skate park?
Actually, I don't know. I think it's pop out only.
Oh, cool. Thank you. Yeah. Don't even think we made a lap yet, have we?
I'm not sure. Not without crash. Oh, not without crashing. No.
heard it. Yeah, I'll give up.
Are you just making your own route now, are you?
Oh, he's making his own.
That is rubbish.
Where is it?
Ah, so he just said that the servo saver's sticking on.
Right, so this is no good for racing.
So not a racer.
No.
It's literally all over the place. Get it off the track. It's going to get in other people's way. We should have bought one of the Wltoys with us, you know.
And that's hot.
Jesus.
That's supposed to say 3S.
Sounds like a challenge. So that's overheated on 2S, and it says it's 3S capable.
Going slowly as well.
Not impressed.
No, I don't like that.
We've got our very own Mr. Talbot up there showing us how it's done. Right, so we put some foams on. Oh, why are they slimy? What the hell is on
Vinny
them?
just put compound on.
Yeah, don't touch the tyres, it's got
That's
oil on it.
gross.
It's racist thing, isn't it?
I don't like it.
Lube.
Just leave lubed them for him. So yeah, so we've got some foams on there now and see if it goes any better. If not, it's just going to go to the skate park and we're going to kill it. Right, so before anybody says it's Ian's driving, Vinny the professional's having a go. And he's saying the same thing.
It's not just me.
30 seconds till race 1.
So you put a little grub screw in to make it a bit lower. See if that makes some difference, yeah?
Yeah.
Determined.
See if we can make it, at least get a lap out of it.
Be nice. Oh, I was about to say it looks better, but... Oh, Jesus. Is that a no? So Ian's now having to go with the club car, because obviously ours is crap. Not bad, he's not driven for about 20 odd years, so he's not doing too bad. Ew. Oh, spoke too soon.